Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the Jio 5G smartphone review, a mid-range device with advanced technology and premium design. India's leading telecom company Reliance Jio is going to launch its 5G smartphone in the market soon. Jio 5G smartphone is not just a product, but a big step for digital revolution in India. Jio has already started providing fast and reliable internet service across the country by launching 5G network. Now, with this smartphone, Jio intends to offer more features at a lower price, so that millions of users in India can take advantage of the 5G technology. Jio 5G smartphone features. The Jio 5G smartphone will have several features that can rival other smartphones in the market. With cheap and quality hardware, Jio will create an attractive option for its customer. 1. Super-fast 5G connectivity. Users will get ultra-fast internet speed with Jio 5G smartphone. 5G technology comes with lower latency and higher data transfer capacity, which is great for applications like online streaming, gaming and virtual reality (VR). 2. Powerful processor and RAM. The Jio 5G smartphone will feature a high-performance processor, capable of mobile gaming and multitasking. With 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM, there will be no question of the phone slowing down. 3. FHD plus display and slim design. The display of the Jio 5G phone will be larger and of higher quality, so that the experience of watching videos and playing games will be sharper and smoother. Also, its slim and premium design will appeal to users. 4. High-quality camera. The Jio 5G phone may have a 50MP main camera and a 16MP selfie camera. Along with this, there will be 4K video recording and AI-based photography features, which will give users more crisp and clear images. 5. Strong battery life and fast charging. The Jio 5G smartphone will have a battery with a capacity of 5,000 mAh or more, which will comfortably last the whole day. Fast charging technology will enable up to 50% charging in 30 to 40 minutes. 6. Jio apps and ecosystem support. Jio 5G smartphones will come pre-installed with apps like Jio TV, Jio Cinema, Jio Cloud, Jio Soft and Jio Meet, which will be convenient for multimedia and communication. Jio 5G smartphone market impact. Jio earlier revolutionized the market by introducing JioPhone for 4G users. Now Jio can once again create a big stir in the market by launching 5G smartphones. 1. Cheap and affordable option. The Jio 5G smartphone will come at a more affordable price compared to other 5G phones in the market, so that even common people can enjoy the 5G technology. 2. Faster adoption of 5G services. Jio 5G smartphone will encourage users to Jio 5G network, which will bring more subscribers to Jio. 3. Domestic competition against foreign brands. The Jio 5G phone could pose tough competition to brands like Xiaomi, Samsung and OnePlus, as Jio could focus on local manufacturing. Jio 5G smartphone launch date and price. Jio's 5G smartphone is likely to be launched in early 2025. Its entry-level model can be priced within 10,000 to 15,000 rupee. This budget-friendly 5G smartphone will be easily affordable even for the middle and lower class. Explanation. Jio 5G smartphone will bring a new digital revolution in India. If Jio brings its smartphone with premium features at an affordable price, it will be a huge hit in the market. The Jio 5G smartphone is not just a device, but a big step towards India's watch-free and high-speed internet. If you like a comparison with another flagship phone and you like any modifications or additional details, then comment. Comment how you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.